Oh my, that's a big guy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a secret mission from Santa Claus. But before I get started, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So Santa's a little behind this year. So he asked me to go into the mall and get some toys. And since I'm doing something for Santa Claus, I'm bringing all you guys along. Let's go. So guys, I think I'm gonna get tons of toys, bikes, stuffed animals. What is that? Is that what I think it is? Is this Santa's coat? No, huh? I don't think it is. This can't be the real Santa. What would he be doing here? That looks exactly like his coat, though. I don't know what's going on here, but I can't read about this. I have to help the real Santa Claus. First stop, the toy store. Let's go. Toys. Ooh, this looks like a good place for Christmas toys. Wait, this is Santa's. Wait a sec. Today was supposed to be the grand opening. Santa was supposed to be here. The fire's lit. The couch is ready for him. But there's no sign of Santa anywhere. Do you think that coat outside has anything to do with this? Uh-oh. Better go. Guys, if something's wrong with Santa, I gotta get to the bottom of it. Let's go. Oh, hey officer, what are you doing here?
Looking everywhere for you.
What?
Where's Santa?
What? I don't know.
Come with me. Let's go.
The same question I've been asking. I've been trying to find him.
I've heard enough of you. Let's go.
No, I'm trying to work for him. I'm trying to get presents for the kids. But then he went missing.
I'm gonna give you one final chance to tell me what you did with Santa.
I did nothing. I've been looking for him all day long now.
Oh, I think you found him. And I think it's time for you to go to jail.
What? No, I didn't do anything. Whoa, hey, I'm innocent. I didn't do anything.
You're gonna be locked up for a long time for messing with Santa Claus.
I didn't do anything. I was looking for Santa Claus. He was missing. I was supposed to help him. No, I'm innocent, please. I always get the weirdest cellmates, like the professor. Now this spoon scraper.
My name's Lance. Nice to meet you.
Well, I guess you don't get to pick your cellmates in jail. Well, as you know, I'm an expert at escaping these jails. Although this one's a little weird. Is this seriously a jail made out of cereal boxes?
Yeah.
What are these? Prisoner guy, Mr. Lance.
Yeah.
What are you doing over there?
I'm digging a hole.
You know that's not gonna work. That would take like 1,000 years.
Oof. I'm probably gonna be in here for that long.
Let's see how much progress he's made. Maybe that's the way out. Well, I think I'm gonna have to find another way out of here. Seriously, guys, there's another lock on my bed. Is it really? Man, it's obvious that there's something under here. Now I know to go under there. Just saying, I gotta do it. Can you keep the scraping down so I can at least take a nap?
I'm trying to escape.
What the? Guys, is this what I think it is?
It's Santa's pants.
I'm in here because supposedly Santa's missing.
He's never gonna be found again.
There's only one way to get out of this prison, and that's find out what happened to Santa and his pants. Oh my, that's a big guy. He slept on this tiny bed?
No.
No? Okay. Well, There's gotta be a way out of here. I mean, a lock on the bed again. These weird, funky looking cards that are just like stuck in the wall, which is a little weird. But there's gotta be like a key somewhere. A Joker card? Interesting. I'm so tired. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. I didn't think this jail is meant for getting out of here, I guess. This must be the most unlucky box fort I've ever been in.
Prisoners!
What?
Time to eat.
Are you kidding me? Lucky Charms for dinner?
It is magically delicious.
Wait, Lance, look what I found in here.
Hopes.
Really? You don't think this is a way to escape? It says, today is your lucky day. You better be sharp to escape.
Can we please take a break from eating? I mean, take a break and eat. I need to take a break from escaping anyway.
Okay, I get some Fortnite, I guess. That didn't work out as
You
well
did
as I
right.
thought it would. Why does that thing say we need to be sharp to escape?
I don't know. I'm just hungry.
Is there like something sharp in this room?
Look around. There's nothing but the lock.
That's sharp-ish. Oh, this is so good. It'd be better with milk, but wait a sec. It's something sharp! This has to do something with that note. Someone must have snuck stuff in our cereal. It's your lucky day. You gotta be sharp to escape. I think I have the sharp thing. Lucky. Oh my! Was that there the whole time? I swear that wasn't here, guys. That's so weird. Maybe I can use this sharp object to pick the lock. Let's see if it really is my lucky day. Maybe this? Ugh. I'm not that lucky, apparently. Lucky Charms is like an obvious hint, but I feel like they put that there to trick me. Maybe I'll go over here to the Captain Crunch. They have a Joker. There's Captain Crunch, Oops, All Berries, and then Crunch Berries. There's 2 Jokers, which is a little odd. There's a 9, 4, 3, 10. There's a 10, another 10, a 9, a Jack, that's a first, and a 7. Lucky number 7. Wait a sec. Maybe I can use this to get into that box. I think I'm getting in. I know there's a key in here. No. There's no keys in here. No, this can't be good. This isn't good. There's gotta be more 7s somewhere. Another one. Sticky.
Whoa. Hey, why do you keep working on that one? It's probably in that 7 right there.
Okay. Lance is a little weird, but maybe he's onto something here.
Who are you calling weird? You're the one stabbing the cereal boxes. At least I'm trying to dig a hole.
Dude, you're not really digging a hole. Ooh, I feel something. Ooh. Oh! Maybe I'm bringing this whole box fort down. A key?
Told you so.
He's starting to get my nerves, guys. I missed the professor compared to this guy.
The professor?
You know who the professor is?
No idea.
What about you, Nutcracker? No, I don't know who the professor is. Whatever. Oh, that hurts me so bad! Seriously though, where did that thing come from? All right, back to business. Let's unlock this lock. It fits. Freedom! Freedom! What did I tell you? The pathway is always under the bed.
I'll be out of here way before that guy.
All right, well, see you, Lance.
I told you so.
What? But what was this all for then? It was pointless. All the clues led me to unlock this bed and there's no way out.
Everyone falls for the bed trick. There's only one way out of here, my friends.
We're never gonna get out of here. But who's gonna save Santa Claus if I can't get out of here?
I don't think you can save Santa. He's in big trouble.
What are you talking about?
Leave me alone, I'm digging.
I'm not gonna save Santa. I'm never getting out of here. I guess today's just not my lucky day.
Not his lucky day, but I have a feeling it's mine.
I think he's been here too long if he thinks he's digging his way out. I can't get to bed with you doing that. What was that sound? Did he just escape? Guys, he did it! I can't believe he actually did it! Hello? Guys, I see something down there. Oh. Is this Santa's hat? Guys, it's time to save Santa. Let's do this!